Are you looking to boost your Magento store's sales with enticing offers? Magento 2 Free Gift Extension allows store owners to offer free gifts to their customers. Free gifts can significantly boost customer appreciation and brand loyalty. They make shopping more exciting and can increase engagement and site time, helping to raise order values and move slow inventory. With the Magento 2 Free Gift Extension, store owners can easily set up rules that determine when free gifts are added to the cart. Customers can see the available free gifts on product pages or cart pages and select a gift among available promo items, which will then be automatically added to their cart. Next, let's explore free gifting tactics for Magento store marketing. Offering a free gift with purchase is a powerful marketing tactic. Encourage higher order values by giving a free t-shirt for orders over $100. You can also promote specific products by offering a free item when customers buy a particular product, like socks when they buy shoes. Reward loyalty program members with exclusive gifts to incentivize repeat purchases and higher customer lifetime value. Including free samples with every order introduces customers to new products and encourages future purchases. Finally, let's explore the key features of Magento 2 free gifting extensions. Some extensions provide detailed analytics on free gift performance, tracking metrics like gift views, additions, and conversions. PWA support ensures that free gift offers are displayed properly on mobile devices, enhancing the mobile shopping experience. Integrations with popular third-party tools like email marketing platforms can automate gift offer emails based on customer behavior. Cutting-edge extensions use AI to recommend the most relevant free gift offers, boosting gift acceptance rates. Headless architecture allows for consistent gifting experiences across all channels by separating the front-end presentation from the back-end logic. We hope you found this rundown of the Magento 2 free gift extension insightful. Like this video and subscribe for more Magento tutorials and professional insights.